to 100 degrees in the Hollywood Hills. Overnight low temperatures in the 60s, where Los Angeles County coast, including downtown Los Angeles, when until 5 o'clock p.m. Pacific Time Friday. Impacts. Hot temperatures may cause heat illnesses to occur. Those without air conditioning will be especially vulnerable during this extended heat wave. Stay out of the sun and check up on relatives and neighbors. Young children should never be left unattended under any circumstances. Take extra precautions if you were for their time outside. When possible, schedule strenuous activities too early morning or evening. Note the signs and symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Wear light-weight and loose-fitting clothing when possible. To reduce risk during outdoor work, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration recommends scheduling frequent rest breaks in shaded or
Holy!
Anyone overcome by heat should be moved to a cool and shaded location. Heat stroke is an emergency. Call 911.
Way better.
Hi folks, Joe Namath here, and if you're
Heat
on Medicare,
advisory.
this is important. Today is one of the only days of this year you can update your coverage and benefits.
Yeah, I want to heat advisory
Before
for
the
my
deadline,
area.
you're entitled to eliminate
And my area
premiums
on
and co-pays.
So, yeah, this is it.
Prescription coverage, unlimited transportation.
Advisory remains in effect until 5 o'clock.
Plus, your zip code may have
I'm tired
coverage
of
with
it
the
talking.
Give Back benefit that adds money back to your Social Security check every
Okay,
month.
one more time.
Look,
Hollywood Hills. Overnight low temperatures in the 60s, where Los Angeles County coast, including downtown Los Angeles, when until 5 o'clock p.m. Pacific Time Friday. Impacts. Hot temperatures may cause heat illnesses to occur. Those without air conditioning will be especially vulnerable to this extended heat wave. Precautionary preparedness actions. Drink plenty of fluids. Stay in an air-conditioned room. Stay out of the sun and check up on relatives and neighbors. Young children and pets should never be left unattended in
Let me check on my
vehicles under
pet.
any circumstances. Take extra precautions if you are
There you are.
outside.
You're chilling.
When possible, schedule strenuous activities too early morning or evening. Note the signs
He's
and
a smart dog.
symptoms
He
of
really
heat
understands.
exhaustion and heat stroke. Wear lightweight and loose-fitting clothing when possible. To reduce risk during outdoor work, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration recommends scheduling frequent rest breaks in shaded or air-conditioned environments. Anyone overcome by heat should be moved to a cool and shaded location. Heat stroke is an emergency. Call 911.
Wonderful weather in between.
We have a lot to talk about.
Weather today from the Weather Channel. New episodes every day, only on Quibi.
We'll take a peek at this. A favorite pastime for space lovers.
Heat advisory.
Spotting the International Space Station and capturing it on pictures,
Emergency.
videos.
Call
Now,
911.
Andrew McCarthy caught a brief rare event as the ISS actually taking a path right in front of the moon during daytime hours. What's even cooler is
What? Daytime high temperatures 90 to 95 degrees. Except 95
My dog's
to
going to say,
100
dude, a
degrees
heat advisory
in
is in effect.
Overnight low temperatures in the 60s, with Los Angeles County coast, including downtown Los Angeles,
Water on the ground.
until 5 o'clock p.m. Pacific Time Friday. Impacts.
Yeah,
Hot
try this
temperatures
tomorrow.
may cause heat illnesses to occur. Those without air conditioning will be especially vulnerable during this extended heat.
today's rain
Oh.
giving a little relief and more coming into the
Not
end of the
there
week. And
anymore.
I know the timing not ideal, but gosh, we need the rain. Cleveland, you've been getting it on the rain.
Not
Temps
there
in the
anymore.
40s. It has been a
There you go.
crummy day. Very cool, damp, raw. Those are words you could describe as 49 degrees right now with the light rain. It's light rain, so we haven't seen big totals across the area. Only, what, about 2/10 of an inch coming down? So again, it's been more damp than like a washout of a day. So keep that in mind.
Oh my God. Oh, that scares me.
Slide a little bit farther to your east. So soon enough, you'll
I
see the
got the
clouds
TV
remain
got
after
mad
a
at
while,
me.
but the rain continues.
I
That
know,
rain,
right?
by the way, moving
It was
east,
just
but
the
on
red
the
channel did
backside
that.
of
Oh,
that
that
front,
scared me.
west-northwest winds have allowed for a little lake-enhanced
Wait,
rain and lake
was my dog barking
snow
at?
in a parts of the UP of Michigan.